Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious homemade pozole. I know you guys are going to love it. It's perfect for this whole cold weather and it's perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have Bailey's, garlic clove, Himalaya salt, beef bouillon, cumin, ground cumin, Mexican oregano, California chili pots, pasilla chili pot, radish, lemons, onion, cabbage, and of course the pork meat. I have pork loin and I have pork neck bone. And over here, the hominy. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing pozole at home. Perfect for this cold weather and perfect for the holidays. So you know something? Let's get started. I want to start here with the pork meat. I'm going to show you those chunks of meat, and I want to cut them in small little pieces so that they incorporate completely with the hominy. I have the neck bone here that have a lot of meat right on the sides. Okay, this is done, and let me show you how I'm going to start chopping and cutting the small pieces of the pork, just like this. You want to make sure that they are small. You don't want so many big chunks of the pork when you're serving it. Look at this, what a difference, huh? Okay, let me continue cutting them. I am done here cutting the pieces, and now I'm just gonna reserve them. I have the spices here. I have the cumin, the salt, the beef bouillon, and the Mexican oregano. These spices are gonna go into the red sauce. They really do bring up so many delicious flavors. The Mexican oregano really makes a difference in this pozole. Well, now I'm just going to incorporate it completely. Of course, I have my Bailey's and my garlic, and I'm adding some salt here. And let's go to the stove. I have water already boiling, and I'm adding the pork bone and my garlic cloves, my Bailey's, my salt. I'm going to let it cook for about half an hour, and then I'm going to remove all this from the top. Let me show you the chili pots I have here. I have the California chili pots, and I have the pasilla chili pots. The pasilla chili pots give us a smoky and delicious flavor. These two chili pots are not spicy at all. I'm going to remove all the seeds, and let me show you what I do a night before. I wash them, I rinse them, and then I just add water and leave them hydrated overnight. So now I'm going to put them aside, and let me continue. Let me show you. It's been cooking for about half an hour, and now I'm ready to add the small little pieces of pork and a piece of onion. I'm going to let it cook for another half an hour. And here I have, they've been washed and rinsed, and now I'm ready to slice them. Look at this. You want them nice and thin. Of course, in this plate, I have some water, and I'm going to add it in here and then just put it aside. I'm going to continue with my lemons. Of course, these are organic lemon. And for the pozole, you really enjoy this lemon. You squeeze a little bit, and it really tastes amazing. The cabbage here, I'm going to cut it through the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice it very thinly. You want to make sure that you slice it really thin, so that when you add it to your pozole, you don't have big pieces, okay? Just like this. Well, I'm going to continue slicing the cabbage, and I'll show you when I am completely done. This is done. I have everything ready. And now let's go to prepare this delicious sauce. I have all the chilies in here. I'm going to add them to my blender cup. I'm going to add the water because the water has all those delicious flavors. 1 cup of the hominy and all the spices. Of course, that I'm adding half an onion. I'm just gonna cut it through the middle and then add it in here, and let's blend away for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, this is done. And now here's the pozole. It's been cooking for about 1 hour. I'm gonna check on the pork meat, and look at this, it's nice and tender. Now I'm ready to add the hominy, and right when I add it and I mix it, I'm gonna add the delicious sauce. I don't need to put it through a sifter because the blender really blended all the chilies completely. Now let me taste. It tastes amazing. I'm gonna let it cook for another half an hour. The total cooking is 1 hour and a half. But now this is completely done. It's nice and tender. You could really smell the pozole. I know that my neighbors know that I'm cooking something delicious because this smells amazing. And I am ready to add it to my plate and enjoy this delicious pozole made at home with lots of love. I hope, my friends, you make it, especially in this cold weather. It's raining outside, and this is a perfect dish. Look at this. I added the chile macha, the chili in oil, and I'm ready to enjoy. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious homemade pozole. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. I added the chili oil right on the top, cabbage. I mean, I don't want to keep talking. I just want to enjoy this delicious pozole made at home. Oh my God, this is still really, really hot. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. You know something? This pozole came out so delicious with the oil, chili, just perfection. You guys need to try it, especially in this cold weather. This is a perfect dish. Really delicious and made at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. See you very soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.